Guys, welcome. Allow me to share the link of the live. So a minute, I share the live. I know we were supposed to start at 3. Okay, let me say that when people are here. We are live from morning. Allow me to drink this as we continue because I have a live meeting, same like this one, in 11 a.m. So it means I'm not drinking anything since almost lunchtime. So let me get this energizer. Hope that's okay with you guys. Okay. So as people are joining, let's see. Okay. So let's give people time to join. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning. God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. So I'm looking at the previous screenshots that we took. Yeah. Account management, yes. So are we there? 30 more people to join. We start. And oh no, not 30, sorry. 21. I know we were supposed to, okay, we'll say that when we start. Logged in from Isinya, welcome. Okay. 10 more people to join. Someone is saying start with the Euro USD. Okay, we can start. Thank you for joining. For account management inquiries, just inbox me. Okay, that's not a problem. And yes, that yesterday, even for account management, it was a bad day. But I'm here to recover. Okay, God willing, can we start? Okay, my name is Nebs for those who don't know me, and we can start right away. Okay, so now you can see my screen. We start. So let's start with opening the app itself. You see, I had not even opened it. Ah, God is good. Guys, allow, I'm taking this because, okay, so let's ignore that for now and come back to gold. Gold is so fucked up. Gold is so fucked up. You see, I had an entry on buys. It played along here from London session to New York to Asian just around this zone. You see? And that's a fucked up move. You see, it took out our stop loss and later on went and took out our take profits. So I feel that was a very fucked up move for gold. So whoever is controlling gold, fuck you. Okay, you really messed up yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, literally, I didn't even trade. I took all losing trades. Hmm? That was so unfair. Okay, now, what are we hoping for today? So, I don't know if we can call this a consolidation zone. Because if you see, guys, gold has really spent a lot of time from here to here. So, can we call this consolidation? This zone that I've colored gray, can we call it consolidation? Let me make it lighter like that. No, a bit lighter like that. This zone, can we call it consolidation? Because gold has been moving sideways since, and it's May 28th, since Tuesday. It's just been going side. It's doing nothing. It's not going up. Can we call it a consolidation? You guys have been in my class for a million times. Then by now, you should tell me. Okay. Do you think it's a consolidation? Yes. Yes, we used to have a deadly. Yes, it's a consolidation. So, meaning we cannot trade until it breaks out of the consolidation. True or false? Unless you want to take a risk and sell this zone. So that's one option. And that's the only option for now. So if you're willing, you can risk at this sell. Okay. Oh, so the trade should look like that. So let me share the signal. So guys, I will block you for a minute so that don't want you guys to see where I'm sharing it. Okay, we can continue. Okay, nice. Okay, so let me call and tell someone to take that trade. A minute, I tell someone to take that trade. Angalia nimepeana trade. Welcome. So it has left the life is good, man. Trading life is so good. Okay, not you. I have a project with ChatGPT. Guys, can I share something with you? Can I share something with you? Ama we wait for. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Then I will share. I will share it with you. I think it's a good thing. Very good thing. Okay. Okay, so for gold, the only thing you can do right now is do that. Because it's consolidation. It's either you risk, wait for the consolidation to end, or don't trade at all. It's a consolidation. Either take the risk or don't. Because you cannot tell hold the trade. But for me, I'm hoping it sells to that point because it's a consolidation. I told you sometimes you don't have to think too much. That's the secret. Hmm? I'm sorry, I'm eating in our live. I've told you guys I have a class like another. I have like mentorship, paid mentorship. Okay, running from 11 to what? I know I have a class running from 11 to 12, and then a paid mentorship. So it means I'm not waking up in this chair for a very long while, and I woke up late because I was trying to catch some moves in Asian session. So bear with me, and we love each other, guys. You understand me, I understand you. Okay. So, I'm thinking if this cell can be activated, it will be a very good thing. Let's make money to there. That's 1:2, and we call it. You see, it is retraced. It has retraced in our entry. So, okay. So, something like that. Okay, let me share. Any guys, I want us to recover like really bad. I'm feeling so bad because of losing. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah. Higher. Are we okay with gold? Anyone has any other opinion? But we should be buying gold. I know we should be looking for buys because it has respected this zone. Okay. Again, it has respected this zone. So all I'm hoping for, it has respected this zone. Okay. So we should be buying gold. I'm okay with that. Are we together with that? So let me explain. It has respected this zone. It has respected this zone again. No. I gave the wrong signal. I just gave the wrong signal. No, it's okay. It's okay. So it should come back here. So you can see it has reacted off those zones. Okay, so it's buying. Okay, but now I'm saying before, because you see it's consolidating, we don't want to force our buys. So I'm hoping for a retracement to around this zone, then take our buys. You understand? But basically, it might hit here and buy. But technically, either way, we make money, because if it breaks this zone, let me explain. If it breaks this stop loss, the next take profit is here. You just take buy to here, then here, then here, then here. You see, now it's in a bypass. Now that's how we make money. So instead of you see, this zone has been disturbing gold. You see, since this zone, it created that zone, it has created this zone again. So it's dangerous to also push it to buys because of that zone. Maybe it wants to take out, maybe it wants to. So either way. So as I've mentioned, let me explain, because I don't want to have, those people that market themselves whenever a trade goes wrong. I will explain. Listen carefully. Gold has been consolidating. It is not in a downtrend, it's not in a uptrend. So we don't know whether we are looking for buys or we should be looking for sells. So you have two options. Stay away from the market until it breaks out of the range, okay, of which for me I don't want to do that. I rather take the risk that seems okay for me. That's my trading style. I always take the risk, even if I'm trading against everything, even if uh, um that's my trading style. Okay, I prefer taking more trades, like having, let me tell you about the good thing about risk management. I can have 10 losing positions, but two recover all of them. So I might miss out on the that recover because of RR, obviously. I might miss out on 1:10 because I was afraid. Okay, so I prefer this. Okay, are we together? Yes. So I hope that's clear. I'm still, yes, I'm on that buy still. That's good for you. What is your take on your trading tool, HFM or nayo? HFM is okay, but guys, I've already told you I was there and I left because of 1:400, man. So that's a fucked up trade. And I just called someone to place that trade for me. Hmm? So I'm just praying for the best. Hi, we continue. So let's just put an alert in case it hits our stop loss. You see, let's say I was afraid to take this trade. You see, this is 1:2. A re-entry trade went straight 1:2. After it took stop loss, it went straight 1:2. You understand? So that's one thing you should learn about trading. The secret is taking as many trades as you can, because you can be lucky and get 1:10, and it recovers like 10 losing positions. You understand? Like that, guys. So for gold, najua shaekelea sell, so I'm hoping it sells because it's in a range. Why would you buy? The highest point it created is this one. Until it breaks out, that's when you can make a decision. Okay. So this was Euro USD in VIP. It fucked me up really good. I was waiting for it to hit this take profit. So my take profit was here. It came here and sold like crazy. So that was a fucked up move yesterday by Euro USD. To be honest, it did me really bad. So what in short, what are we hoping for today for Euro USD? It's clear, it's selling, Sindio. We don't want to start buying if it's selling. And you can see we have an untapped zone. Yes, we have an untapped zone here. Let me show you where we can be hoping for the market to come around here. We have this untapped zone. So we have, you see, we have identified. But now this was a good trade yesterday in VIP. Let me just screenshot it for updates. My take profit was here. No one is to fall here. Hmm. Bana, it did bad. It did bad. Where that was bad. And it came here, sold like lazy. Okay, so let's identify the Asian session. So guys, I know we are supposed to do our live at 10, at 9 a.m. But you see, I forgot to announce in the group. So I was scared. Maybe I can do at 9 and we lose people because they will come at 10. So give me time so that I can announce to the group and everyone that been joining on our live. We tell them we have rescheduled, our lives will be at this time. I know. So I'm hoping it taps there and sells. Simple. Ainuliwe Mungu wetu leo, ainuliwe. Man, I hate when I stay out of my laptop. Like right now, I'm seeing how many trades I could have taken here. So let me explain. This is one cut trade for buys, targeting the previous this zone. So someone was asking me, what entry do you use? Supply and demand? No, I don't use supply and demand. I told you I use Kamal Bull strategy, but for entries, sometimes entries across many strategies, they look the same. Okay, it's just that maybe the rules you use don't apply to my rules, but most of them. So, like for supply and demand, you see this zone that I've drawn here down here. I know this all these defy the laws of supply and demand. But if you're a good ICT student, you cannot use this. But you see this zone that I've drawn here really respects supply and demand. You see this zone? Yes. Yes. So Kamal Bull, I told you what made Kamal Bull's uh, trade special. He just used the best rated strategies to make one good strategy. So that's why you can see me sometimes I draw double bottom and use it as a liquidity. I draw trend line sometimes. You see? So hoping for a sell around there. Please, if you have a different opinion, feel free to share. Use the, I've pinned the message. I've pinned the message that you are asking. Do you know, someone is asking me, why do you prefer the trading than swing trading? Do you know swing trade? Swing trade means you hold your trades for months, weeks, such things. Okay. Now I know people have been lying to you. You know, I'm a swing trader. I hold my trades for weeks, months. Okay. Let's look at an example here. Okay. I don't want to say they are lying. I don't want to say, but let's look at an example of what could have happened if you are a swing trader. Let's say you took your entry here. This is Tuesday, 20th May. Let's say, guys, this is a very important question I'm answering, so don't pretend like I'm wasting your time, okay? Assuming Tuesday, you analyze the market and you took your buys, and you are a swing trader, you hold. This market went to here, it gave you like $2,500. After giving you $2,500, it came and gave you $0. Wasana. The most realistic thing that happens in here. Oh, nimeachana nayo kwanza. Takwambia. No, umefanya nikakuja hapa pote. Nitakutext. Right. So assuming here it gave you $2,500 profit, and again it came and gave you zero. So you are a swing trader. What do you think would happen? 90% of the traders would exit at zero loss, zero profit. But let's say you insist on holding the trade. Let's say you are a professional, you don't care. No, but this, okay, to be honest, this defies the rule if of a swing trader. If you are a swing trader, what you should have done the moment it hit $2,500, your stop loss should be around here. Okay, to be honest, not if you are a good swing trader, professional one, your stop loss should come here when the price is here. So the moment it comes back, it will close your trade at around, that's around $500. You have lost how much? You have lost how much? $2,000. Again, you take another trade. It comes here, gives you 500 because you are still holding. Comes, takes out your stop loss. So you lose. I hope guys you are listening. Please, this is something, because I love educating you, because even if you go trust other mentors, you can tell what they are cooking. So gold has hit our stop loss. Kwisha mimi. Kwisha mimi, I'm dead. Okay. So after hitting our stop loss, you take another trade and you wait for the swing. Lucky, this time it flies to $3,000. After hitting $3,000, what you have to do is put your stop loss around here. This should be at 2,000. Okay, you see it hit, take profit, then sold. So that's, and it comes back to your zone. You take again here. Yes, you take again here. Flies, most probably hits your stop loss. Okay, flies. So in short, being a swing trader, the profitability, it is almost impossible to make profits, because the more you wait for a trade to, you see, but look at the way we were trading. We were just taking take profits along the way, along the way, along the way, along the way, like that. Okay. So as I've mentioned, we hit stop loss. It's simple. We go for buys because it has broken out of the range. Simple mathematics, guys. So our chart will look like that. Hmm? Okay, so we take our buy like that. Utateki trade unajisikia? Kuna trade inakaa hapo. So guys, hope you understand what I'm doing. It has broken out of the range in upside. So we are waiting for it to endelea na safari. So you see why it's impossible to be a swing trader. Got verified by exam. Yes, thank you so much. I told you don't need proof of residence to verify your account. Hope you understand what I've just done. Remember, I've drawn a box before, told you if it's a game of pulling rope, sellers and buyers, the one that win, you go with them. It's simple. So this consolidation was all about buyers versus sellers. Buyers won. We continue with them. Simple. And it's buying to TP1. Umekelea? Oh, la, itakuacha. Kimbilia laptop. I love my wife, guys. I really love my wife. Okay. What else? What else? What else have I not mentioned? So gold is bound to buy. It has taken out the liquidity, it has consolidated, it has broken out. So next stop is here. Then it react a sell and so on and so forth. So let me take that recovery trade. Kama unajua hii kitu imekaribia, imenukia stop loss hadi ikaenda. So I think imeamka. Ama? Sawa, tuenda na. You know, guys, I hate when people I hate when people advertise themselves in my channel. Ama when I hit stop loss, man. If you have only 50%, you see, calm down, calm down. I'm here for you guys, okay? I'm here for you. Don't worry. Mm. Trade nachukua, ndo maana nimenyamaza nikipost. Okay, so people really love when we lose. They are there with the FX names: Mansa, Musa, FX, King Gideon, FX, advertising themselves. But see, guys, I before it even happened, I had told you, sindio? So you cannot say at sijui it caught me off guard. Okay, so we have looked at Euro USD. So this sell, I will not say it's valid. Okay, so this sell, forget about it. I will not say it's valid because I'm seeing this buy pressure and the way gold has reacted. Okay, so for Euro USD, let's just watch it for now. But remember, I'll always update the signal in the channel. Let's head over to GBP USD. GBP USD, actually, it did not hit again our stop loss, our take profit. You see, my take profit was there, but it reacted off this zone. Very, very bad move. And after hitting that, it sold like crazy to where? To this. Yes, to this zone here. That I will draw for you to see here. That was a very touched and it's flying. Okay, so we have to identify what happened during the Asian session. You know, those people might make you feel so bad, like the way I'm feeling right now. Okay, something looks like that. Okay, so Asian session sold to that zone, but you see, it's the same thing is happening to Euro US to GBP USD. It's coming to a zone that suggests sell. So this zone was respected with the buys, tap, 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 buy out to this zone here that we already had. And now the market sold like crazy and it's buying to this zone. So we can scalp GBP USD to this zone. And we'll be sure it will break. This time it's not here to joke around. So let me take that scalping. Okay. Higher. Hey, at least, man, they have stopped. Hey, they love it when we lose. Where? Hey, they love it. They really love it. And it's something that I already told you might happen. So we continue. So that's GBP USD. We scalp to that zone. How is gold looking like? Nice one. Gold is buying. That's good. That's what we want to see. I've told you when it hits here, wait for a retracement. Okay. Okay. My meeting has been cancelled, Joe. Still okay, we can continue with our life without being in a hurry. So it looks like that. For gold, it's buying Euro USD. It's in a sell zone, so it has taken out the sell zone. So it's you can take buys like this, like that, like that. K1 is to 2. Okay, so that's a trade you can take. Very good. Okay, like that. Okay, you understand? You understand? Because it has taken out to the highest point. So we GBP USD, I'm sure it will hit there. Gold, I'm sure it will hit. No, not at 100% sure. Don't use it against me. Okay, I'm sure it will hit there. I mean, most probably it will hit. So I think they are all aligning now. And then we jump over to NAS 100. NAS 100, this is a trade we took. It took out our stop loss. Ilibomoa stop loss vibaya sana, and later bought to our take profit. So let me screenshot it for updating in the VIP, because even after we lost, I told them to re-enter. So you can see it is reacting off this zone that we already had. No, it's not. Guys, it will buy to this zone. Trust me. So be sure. Remember, you guys remember I told you. I said it. Bana. I remember I told you we must take out this. It's in a bypass. I remember explaining, oh, bypass Nini. It must take out this. Eh? I remember telling you it must take out this highway here that I've written a IMB. Hmm? So what are we expecting today? This is the Asian session. Let's do the Asian session. But I remember telling you that, man. But I gave the VIP, they made money with that. So it looks like Cindy. Okay, like that. Okay, so it's selling, but I don't think it's selling genuinely. So what we hope for is see where it starts buying and then we buy there. You understand? Because it's not here to genuinely sell. It's not. You see, it took out the liquidity of the stop loss that we had, a good entry, took out that. So it's not here to sell, it's here to buy. Okay, so I will update you in the channel, and we have here liquidity. So that's another reason why we should be hoping for this take profit to hit. So we are lucky, we might get ourselves in a very good buy here. So we will keep an eye to that. But if you go to 5 minutes time frame, I'm sure you'll get an entry where it's currently at. Yes, you can see. Once you go to the 5 minutes, it will tell you there's this buy zone, but I don't want to trust it. Maybe. Just let's wait. The safest approach here is to wait for it to give us where the point of interest of buying. You understand? Yeah. Welcome so much, Kolio. Tuendelee? Yes, it never. Do we wait for pullback or we just enter where it is now? What pair? If you're getting 50%, don't worry. I have a meeting with them. You know, activating 200% bonus is not a joke, guys. Ni hasara kubwa sana kwa brokers. So there will be rules. we have to be patient. Okay, that's NAS 100. So today we have good. The market looks saturated. I mean, it looks active. Can we do live trading? Because I don't want to analyze any other pair. I think my chances are better without analyzing any other pair. Okay, I want us to finish this live so that we can try get the entries. So let me screenshot this for someone. Okay, so guys, allow me to let's end the live there. I will update in the group the time changes, and then we will be doing with you at sindio. Okay, sawa. Any other question or quick comment really quickly? You see, it's 11 a.m. I've told you I have to do something. We have FOMC today. Then we can be doing live trading. No wonder it has been doing, it has misbehaving because maybe it is waiting for that time to fly. Guys, guys, any real quick comments? Where are the trading bots found? Join Telegram, go to files. Thank you so much, Patrick. Go to files or documents in our Telegram group. Don't inbox me for that unless you want to buy. No, FOMC minutes don't have impact. Minutes don't have impacts. FOMC itself has. It's called Kamal Bull strategy. I do you journal trades? No, I don't. I'm past that, banner. That's for you guys. Thank you so much. Can we call it a quit? Call it a day, guys? So have a lovely day, guys.